flood. Stay alert. Would you know what to do if there was a flood? You should always be prepared. Decide where you will go and what you will do if there is a flood. Already have an emergency kit prepared with important items and protective clothing. Build flood defenses outside your home. Flood barriers and walls can protect your home from floodwaters. Before a flood, you should turn off the electricity and water supplies. Move important furniture and items to the top floor of your home. Use sandbags to prevent water from entering your home. Arrange for any livestock to be moved to high ground. During a flood, wear protective clothing and get your emergency kit. Evacuate the house if necessary and move to high ground. Listen to the weather forecast using a radio for updates. Don't walk through moving water. Avoid already flooded areas. Don't use cars in flooded areas, as they can be swept away by floodwaters. If you are in a car and encounter a flash flood, get out and move to high ground. After a flood, don't return to your home until the authorities say it is safe to do so. Clean all items that got wet in the flood. Ensure all electrical equipment has dried and an electrician has checked it before using it. Boil tap water before drinking it.